got the ad right. It's not no belts, no.
Yeah, that's fine.
No alternator, nothing like that. Thank you, sir. Do you need help? Do you need a hand?
No, he'll help me.
Okay. We're done.
Stand up in the bed while
Back up to it.
you sit on the cooler.
What way?
Back that way?
This way?
Yeah.
Wherever it stopped? What?
It'll stop for you. You want to drive or you want to run the winch?
I want to do the wing. Are you gonna be in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, is this one backwards?
Huh? Yeah, you hit the end button. The bottom one.
The bottom one?
Yeah, when I tell you
Is that good?
No, keep going a little bit. Pull it. A little bit.
What? Good.
Alright.
No,
No,
quick.
just leave it there. Here, you can hold the key. Hook that up.
This way?
Yep. And hold it tight. Good?
Yeah.
Alright, watch your fingers.
We want you to do the front ones?
Yeah. the front ones last.
Okay.
Okay. All done.
What do you do? Emily, why are you helping Daddy? Why? Where's Jordan and Noah and Hunter? Hello. Wait. Where's Hunter and Jordan and Noah? I want you to dump it in the house. Why? Because there's dying. What is this?
Still got the key, right?
Where's the camper at? Real.
You got the key?
Yeah. Hang on.
That's something about no belt. That's something else.
Yeah, no belt. Huh?
I said, I think he said he took the alternator, but there's a cat. I see the cat. Here's front wheel drive. Which hands?
Mommy, we're not staying tonight. Okay.
3 1 of that?
So we're not.
I guess pull alongside there and then back down. We'll put it right in front of that red truck.
Hop back in the truck. You can just hold on to it for a second.
Okay. Well, the video is still on, so.
That's fine.
Do you have the key? Daddy? You have the key? Daddy?
No, you do.
No? I gave it to you.
Okay, I mean, I got it. I gotta get that ramp out first. Go back there. You fell out the truck, kid. You alright? You're fine. Cool. I gotta get that ramp out first. We can get back up.
I'll go roll. Not roll.
Okay. Give me another wheel.
Hey, cameraman, did you fall?
You wanna do that strap? Feed it back in there.
What?
Feed it back to me.
Daddy. Daddy, can I like push it down now?
Car?
Huh?
Car?
Yeah.
You gonna push the car? Yeah, hold on.
You gonna be in it? Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Huh? No. I gotta get the, watch your fingers. I gotta get the winch to release.
Down.
I ain't gonna do that. Hey, get up on trailer, you can push the car backwards.
Tell me when to go.
Okay. Make sure you push extra hard.
Okay. The thing was easy to push.